The Paxos Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner boasts exceptional cleaning performance, ensuring a thorough and hassle-free pool cleaning experience. Equipped with a powerful motor and dual rotating brushes, it effectively removes debris, leaves, sand, and even fine particles from the pool floor and walls. The robot's intelligent navigation system enables it to map the pool's surface and efficiently maneuver around obstacles, ensuring every corner of your pool is spotless. Cordless convenience. One of the standout features of the Paxos Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner is its cord-free design. Unlike traditional pool cleaners that require an external power source, this device operates independently, thanks to its built-in rechargeable battery. This cordless design eliminates the hassle of dealing with tangled cords and offers greater flexibility in cleaning hard-to-reach areas of the pool. Simply place the robot in the water, press a button, and let it do the rest. Extended working time. The Paxos Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner provides an impressive working time of 60 to 90 minutes on a single charge. This extended battery life ensures that the robot can effectively clean larger pools without interruption. It efficiently covers up to 861 square feet, making it suitable for both small residential pools and larger commercial pools. Additionally, when the battery is low, the cleaner automatically returns to its charging station, eliminating the need for manual intervention. IPX8 waterproof rating. Designed for use in water, the Paxos Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner is engineered with an IPX8 waterproof rating, offering superior protection against water ingress. This feature ensures the cleaner's durability and longevity, allowing it to perform optimally even in challenging pool conditions. Whether your pool is above ground or in ground, this pool cleaner can handle various water depths and surfaces. User-friendly operation. The Paxos Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner prioritizes user convenience with its intuitive and user-friendly design. With just a push of a button, you can initiate the cleaning cycle and sit back while the robot takes care of the rest. Its smart sensors detect walls and obstacles, preventing collisions and ensuring a thorough cleaning. The large filter basket is easy to access and clean, making maintenance a simple task. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.